Step 6 is all about reconnecting and never missing a follow-up. The deals are in the follow-up, guys. In this video, I'll show you how you can further leverage your pipeline to convert the try on every deal, or you can sweat and sweep up on all the deals in your area. And remember, most people don't offer after viewings and nobody follows up. So this really will place you in the top 1% of investors out there, no doubt. Now that you've got a good grip on how to record your deal's progress along your pipeline, the key is to set your reminders for your next checkup. And you can block 30 minutes once or twice a week to actually follow up on the follow-up alerts. Once you start follow up on a few properties, you'll start to see a very colorful screen like this. Before we build Property Filter for ourselves, we used to have what I call the horrible property spreadsheet. And I can see you smiling already as you might have your own version of it. It might be a spreadsheet, it might be a Trello board, or even a CRM system you pay for. The problem with it is that you find yourself copy-pasting Rightmove links into the spreadsheet or your system, and you're building yourself the biggest admin job that sucks all your time. You could easily spend 1 or 2 evenings a week opening every Rightmove link, updating the spreadsheets or your system, or paying a VA 200 or 300 pounds a month to keep the system afloat. And you know, just like me, that by the time it's done, it's already out of date. Mistakes are made and you're missing out on deals all the time. This is another clear example of confusing activity and progress. None of this is making you any money, but don't worry, this was me as well a while back. In contrast with Property Filter, everything is live. Your leads inbox is live, all your pipeline is live. It's the only CRM system for deals that is live with the market. The price is the live asking price. The status and the price history is live. You can recognize things very visually in seconds. You know, green is available, amber is all subject to contract, red is delisted, and you can see very clearly the time since deals have fallen through, the time since reduction, and by how much. All the admin is automated. Here in this example, we've got 2 deals to follow up with, as per the reminder we set up previously, and you can see the notification here. So this is where you want to review your notes, see what you talked about in the previous conversation, with whom, what are people's names, give the agent a ring or the vendor, ask to speak to the person you were in touch with previous time, and ask your follow-up questions, asking them where they're at and if their expectations have come down closer to your offer. This is where you'll either agree a deal or agree to speak later. Look, there's no worry at all. If anything changes, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be in touch in a few weeks, etc. These kind of things. Set your next reminder on this view and you'll see the deal that was on top has now made its way to the bottom of the pile. And unless they call you before that, it will make its way to the top of your follow-up list. Then when time comes, you repeat the process. This is all about occupying some headspace with the vendor or the agents so that they only think about you being the solution for their property problem. And the truth is, this is inevitable because nobody follows up like you do. And soon you'll be the last person standing. And whenever something happens to that sale, whenever something happens to that property or vendor, they will be the ones calling you. So this was the final of 6 steps of the Property Filter Fortune Flywheel, the step-by-step blueprint layered on top of Property Filter that generates you an unlimited deal flow of motivated sellers and assure you do more deals in less time. By now, you would have understood that if you truly want to achieve remarkable results in property, you can't afford not to have Property Filter on your team. Remember to leverage the game-changing support and resources we have for you. Make sure you join some of the 5 group calls we run each and every week for our members. Ask us anything in the 7 days a week, award-winning quick response live chat. And of course, you can access more detailed resources on specific topics in the Answer Rich Property Filter Academy. I look forward to seeing all the results you will achieve with Property Filter on your team. We wake up every day to improve the product and the service to watch you do more deals. Speak with you soon on one of the live calls. Happy deal finding.